I don't feel like this is gonna end up well. Okay. Okay, go ahead, Tatum.
Wait 1 second.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Poster board for 50 cents? What is this? Oh my gosh, this is weird.
But look, it's 50 cents.
I already have poster board. Just kidding. I actually first did on this, but I already have stickers.
Well, we have to find some random stuff to make into something.
Oh yeah. But I like stickers.
Whoa!
What about lights?
Should we find?
Should we get random lights? Oh yeah, we should get random lights. Okay.
1 pack of lights.
And then we make a little thing with lights.
So,
Wait, unless you.
okay, so
That wouldn't fit. Oh, look, candle holders. Oh, look at these.
oh, they're cute.
Candle
Get one of them,
holders.
because we're
two.
not gonna get the same thing.
Okay.
Let's see. I'll see if there's a phone for a phone case for my phone. There might not be. iPhone 6. I have an SE. It's freaking hard to find SE cases that are adorable.
Yeah, look at these tank speakers. I've been looking for these.
That's a 6. Dang it.
Oh, Tatum. Which one?
Nice.
Which one? This one or that one?
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Look how cute this is.
So we are going to find random stuff and basically try making something out of it, which I have not found anything I like yet. It's so cute.
What do you think it's
Put it back. Come on, we're going to find stuff to make stuff. Because
You just feel like it? No. That kind of be too confusing.
don't like that. Okay, so right now we only have 4 items in the cart. We're going to get up to 8 or 10. Okay, not that much because I don't have enough money.
So,
How much money do you have?
Are they like actual plastic? Are they plastic or plastic? Plastic. Don't know why. She got it.
We're just picking random stuff and making something out of it. Tiny cups.
We might need these 10 cups. Wait, how much I usually have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, mini book 6.
7.
Because I want to get another mini book. Should I get
Okay.
this one or should I get
So,
gold one?
okay.
This one or gold one?
So,
Which one?
what if we each find stuff to
You're right,
design a book?
No, I just want a book so I can sketch out things.
Okay. 7 items. Oh, yeah.
Great job! Wait, did they all say great job? Well, that's nice. There were cash codes that said great job, and one said you were terrible. Oh, more stickers. I like stickers. No, I like them.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe we should get these cash codes. And then
They're terrific, not terrible.
I saw T in it. It said terrible.
Okay. Don't know why I want that one.
10 is okay.
Well, okay.
Okay. You keep looking. What's that, Mother? No! Tatum!
only need these. Okay. Which one?
Both.
Both? Okay.
How much do we have? How many items do we have?
Maddie, come here.
1,
Okay, well,
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay, 10. That's good. Thank you.
Don't you like decorating your walls and stuff? These are jumbo stickers. Look. Wild and green.
There we have.
You don't want any more?
I think we're done now. Right?